Stop scrolling, because what you're about to see is not science fiction. It's a preview of the world that will replace yours. It's 2042. No explosions, no warnings, no dramatic collapse, just silent replacement. The world didn't fall apart. It upgraded, and most people didn't even notice until it was too late. Because power has shifted, not to governments, not to corporations, but to individuals, armed with systems powerful enough to replace entire industries. Because in 2042, luxury isn't cars, luxury isn't mansions, luxury is control. Control over time, control over systems, control over reality itself. Let me show you what that actually looks like. The AI CEO core. You walk into a room, glass walls, silent air. Everything feels expensive. At the center, a floating cube of light. That's not decoration. That's your company. No employees, no departments, no endless meetings draining your life. Just one system, the AI CEO core. It doesn't help you run your business. It replaces it. It predicts markets before trends exist. It makes decisions in milliseconds. It builds, scales, and eliminates inefficiencies instantly. No emotions, no hesitation, no mistakes. And here's the uncomfortable truth. In 2042, if your business still depends on humans to think, you're already obsolete. The self-building robot swarm. Now imagine this, an empty piece of land, nothing there. Then suddenly, the ground starts moving. Thousands, millions of microscopic machines, perfectly synchronized. No workers, no noise, no delay, just pure execution. In hours, a luxury villa appears. In days, a skyscraper, not built, grown. Because these machines don't just follow instructions, they think structurally. They adapt to weather. They correct mistakes instantly. They reinforce themselves before damage even happens. Buildings in 2042 don't stay the same. They evolve. The autonomous luxury drone network. Now let's remove waiting from your life. Completely. Look up. The sky isn't empty anymore. It's alive. A silent, intelligent network moving above you. Your personal drone system. You don't order things anymore. You think them. And they arrive. Food, minutes, products, instant transportation. Already on the way before you ask. No traffic, no roads, no delays. Logistics didn't improve. It disappeared. Because in 2042, speed isn't a premium feature. It's the baseline. The personal biofactory now. Let's talk about something deeper. Your body. In the past, you waited until something went wrong, then you fixed it. In 2042, that mindset is extinct. You step into a sleek, silent chamber in your home, the biofactory. It scans you, completely. Not symptoms. Not surface-level data. Everything. It detects problems before they exist. It creates custom treatments instantly. It optimizes your biology in real time. You don't fight disease anymore. You delete it before it begins. Hospitals? They still exist. But they're no longer the first line of defense. You are. The autonomous farming dome. Now think about food. Not farming. Food. Inside a massive glass dome. Perfection. No seasons. No unpredictability. No human error. Every plant grows in a controlled, flawless environment. AI controls light, nutrients, atmosphere, down to the exact second. Zero waste, maximum efficiency. But here's where it gets crazy. Food isn't just grown anymore. It's engineered, designed for your body, customized for your taste. Agriculture didn't disappear. It became precision luxury. The AI surgical capsule. Now imagine this. You need surgery, but there's no doctor in the room, no team, no stress, just a capsule. You step inside. The system scans you in full 3D, deploys microscopic tools, executes the procedure flawlessly. No shaking hands, no fatigue, no human limitation, just precision. In 2042, humans don't lead surgery anymore. They supervise it, because perfection at that level, machines win, every time.